Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you one of the most smart and most secure lock for Windows 10. It is called Picture Password. I will tell how to use this in this video. Let's start the video. To turn on Picture Password, at first click Start button and click on Account button and click on Change Account Setting. Click on Sign In options and click on Picture Password. Click on Add option.
Click on Choose Picture and choose your picture. Click on Use this picture.
Now draw any pattern or shapes, or tap on 3 points of pictures and again draw pattern or shapes to continue where you have drawn previously. Now draw shape or any pattern in picture to continue. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you can make your computer more secure after this. Please click on subscribe button and press the bell icon for getting notification of latest videos.